Today we are here at the bamboo spa, and what I want to show you is something that I found here is Skeyndor. So Skeyndor, if you know that this is like #1 skincare brand in Spain, and today it is rated as one of the top 15 cosmetic brands in the world. So I mean, this one is there like in more than 45 countries, I think. So it's a really good brand, and it's very well developed because they have a special team of I think around 11 or 14 in-house scientists who are working like regularly to develop their product. And when you look at this, there are many different types of toners, serums, especially with power retinol. They're really good, and the feedback is also good about the products that they're making with retinol. So it's like, if you look at this one, they're different. One is for dry skin and the other one is for oily skin. So it's completely like developed for your skin type and very well made, customized. So I was happy to see all the products there in one place. These are like high quality cosmetics, and whenever you're doing something on your skin, you're using something on your skin, you have to be extra careful about the quality. So you must go for high quality products. And I mean, even if they're expensive, they go for a long time, so a little is enough. That's why. And you know that this is like now one of the leading professional cosmetic brand also. So they're also doing products for men now, so it's not only for women but also for men, and they're also available online. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.